Italian parsley, also known as flat-leaf parsley, is one of the most widely used culinary herbs in the world, yet it is often overlooked or confused with its curly counterpart. To understand Italian parsley properly, it must be seen not as decoration, but as a structural ingredient that defines entire cuisines. Botanically, Italian parsley belongs to the species Petroselinum crispum. The flat-leaf variety is distinguished by its broad, serrated leaves and sturdy stems. While curly parsley was historically favored for visual appeal, flat-leaf parsley gained dominance because of flavor, aroma, and versatility. Italian parsley originates from the central Mediterranean region, where it has been cultivated for over 2,000 years. Ancient Greeks and Romans valued parsley not only as food but also as a medicinal plant and symbolic herb. It was associated with vitality, purification, and even ceremonial rituals. What separates Italian parsley from curly parsley is chemistry. Flat-leaf parsley contains higher concentrations of volatile aromatic compounds, particularly apiol and myristicin. These compounds give it a deeper, greener, more peppery flavor. This is why professional chefs almost universally prefer Italian parsley. Structurally, Italian parsley is balanced. The leaves are tender but resilient, and the stems are firm, aromatic, and edible when finely chopped. Unlike many herbs, parsley does not collapse under heat immediately. It can be added early for background flavor or late for freshness. Flavor-wise, Italian parsley is bright, grassy, slightly bitter, and clean. It does not overpower dishes. Instead, it sharpens them. It lifts richness, cuts through fat, and balances acidity. This makes it indispensable in Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and Latin cuisines. Parsley is not a background herb. In dishes like tabbouleh, salsa verde, chimichurri, gremolata, and persillade, it is the main ingredient. These preparations demonstrate parsley's ability to carry flavor rather than merely support it. Nutritionally, Italian parsley is exceptionally dense. It is rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, and folate. It contains antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which contribute to anti-inflammatory and cellular protective functions. Parsley is also notable for its chlorophyll content, historically associated with breath freshening and detoxifying effects. While modern science treats such claims cautiously, parsley's micronutrient profile is undeniably strong. From an agricultural perspective, Italian parsley is a biennial plant, though it is usually harvested as an annual. It prefers cool to moderate temperatures, well-drained soil, and consistent moisture. Its slow germination is famous among gardeners, often taking several weeks to emerge. Once established, parsley is resilient. It tolerates repeated cutting and regrows vigorously. This trait made it ideal for continuous harvest systems in both home gardens and commercial production. Culturally, Italian parsley represents restraint and balance. In Italian cooking, it is used to finish dishes rather than dominate them. In French cuisine, it defines classic herb blends. In Middle Eastern food, it becomes central and abundant. Parsley also plays a role in visual perception. Its vivid green color signals freshness and quality. A dish finished with parsley looks alive. This visual cue influences appetite and expectation. One of parsley's most important culinary functions is bitterness control. Small amounts counteract sweetness and richness, preventing dishes from becoming heavy or flat. This is why parsley appears so often alongside meats, oils, and starches. Italian parsley is also a lesson in ingredient humility. It is inexpensive, widely available, and easy to grow, yet removing it from a dish often reveals how essential it was. Its absence is noticed more than its presence. Environmentally, parsley has a relatively low footprint. It grows quickly, requires minimal processing, and is often consumed fresh. Local production is easy, reducing transportation and storage demands. Italian parsley is not trendy. It is foundational. It does not seek attention. It creates balance. In professional kitchens, parsley is not optional. It is assumed. It is the green thread that ties flavors together. Italian parsley is not just an herb. It is culinary grammar.